With over 30 years of experience, we understand wood. All of our timber is sourced from sustainable forests. We take the time to examine our wood and grade it into categories for a consistent, high-quality look. We love wood and the traditional methods of bringing the beauty out of the grain. Our product development workshop is where we take those methods and harmoniously blend them with our modern production techniques. Extra rustic planks are worked by hand to emulate thousands of steps taken over decades. Hand distressing can create a distinctive, antiqued finish. Rough wire brushing removes soft areas in the grains to accentuate the wood's natural texture. Our aging process adds a subtly chalky touch for a worn appearance. The beautifully rough finish of a sawn floor captures the authentic feel of freshly cut timber. Beveled edges create definition and a traditional, ordered look. We coat our planks with multiple layers of oil or lacquer to ensure they're protected for a lifetime. We care about our products and manufacture them to the highest standard using efficient, modern techniques. Woodpecker, naturally inspired flooring.